Hello people, today I have very interesting tutorials because for a long time I had problems with missing textures in Cinema 4D. I had to always load the texture because that application always was telling me missing a file. I will show you how to fix that problem so you will no longer have that issue. I think the program has to know the path to folder location because I have got texture of the eye. And I think I will show you where to go. You have to go to Edit, Preferences, in Option Files. I think there's option Copy to Project, and you can check. You can add the folder. Depending what texture you have, you can always add the folder. I have my corrected textures. Depending what texture you want to have. This actually is inactive. This is to do with autosave. I don't need autosave. I have to check what the deferred means in English. But this is what you need if your application tells you missing the file. That's what I did, and after opening the file, I no longer had that problem.